When it comes to enhancing the aesthetics, energy efficiency, and overall value of your home or business in Houston, custom windows can make a significant difference. Whether you are building a new property, undergoing a renovation, or simply upgrading your current windows, custom solutions offer a variety of benefits that standard windows often can't provide. Here are some compelling reasons why custom windows are worth considering for your Houston property. Perfect fit for your unique space. Houston properties come in a variety of styles and sizes. Whether you have a traditional, modern, or custom architectural design, finding windows that seamlessly integrate with the space can be challenging. Custom windows are made to fit the exact measurements and design specifications of your property. This means no more worrying about gaps or awkwardly shaped windows that don't complement your home or business's aesthetic. Custom windows can be designed to suit even the most unique architectural features. From bay windows to large picture windows, your options are almost limitless. Whether you have a modern glass facade or a historic home with intricate detailing, custom windows ensure that the look of your property remains cohesive and visually stunning. Increased energy efficiency. Houston's weather can be unpredictable, with scorching summers and mild winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners and businesses alike. Custom windows are designed with high-performance glass and advanced insulation techniques that help keep your property comfortable year-round. During the hot summer months, custom windows can significantly reduce heat gain, keeping your interiors cooler and reducing the need for excessive air conditioning. In the winter, custom windows with superior insulation properties can prevent heat loss, ensuring your heating system works more efficiently. This results in a reduction in your energy bills, helping you save money in the long run. Additionally, energy-efficient windows contribute to a greener environment by reducing your carbon footprint. Enhanced security and safety. Safety is a major consideration for homeowners and business owners in Houston, and custom windows can be built with advanced security features that provide added peace of mind. Custom windows can be designed with shatterproof glass, security locks, and reinforced frames to deter potential intruders. These features make it much harder for burglars to break into your property, offering you enhanced protection. Moreover, you can choose window designs that allow for more secure ventilation. For example, windows that open from the top rather than the bottom can prevent small children from easily accessing the window, ensuring safety in homes with young children. Boost your property's curb appeal. When it comes to adding value to your property, curb appeal plays a vital role. Custom windows can transform the exterior of your home or business by giving it a distinctive look that stands out from the rest. Whether you choose sleek, modern frames or timeless, traditional designs, custom windows can elevate the appearance of your property and increase its market value. Not only do custom windows make your property more attractive to potential buyers, but they can also give your space a unique and personal touch. Custom windows offer endless possibilities for color, frame materials, and glass styles, enabling you to choose a design that reflects your personality and complements your property's surroundings. Long-term durability and low maintenance. One of the main advantages of custom windows is their durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, custom windows are built to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. Unlike standard windows, which may degrade over time due to poor construction or wear, custom windows are designed with longevity in mind, meaning fewer repairs and replacements in the future. Additionally, many custom windows are made with low-maintenance materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials that are resistant to warping, cracking, or fading. This means you can enjoy your custom windows for many years without worrying about constant upkeep. Noise reduction for a quieter environment. Living in Houston, especially in busy areas, can expose you to noise pollution from traffic, construction, or other urban sounds. Custom windows can be designed to provide better soundproofing, helping to keep unwanted noise outside. The use of laminated glass and other soundproofing techniques in custom windows ensures that your home or business remains quieter and more peaceful. This can be especially beneficial if you live near a busy street or in an area with heavy traffic. Custom windows can create a serene environment for you, your family, or your employees, making your property more comfortable and relaxing. Conclusion. Investing in custom windows for your Houston property is a smart decision that pays off in terms of both aesthetics and functionality. With a perfect fit, enhanced energy efficiency, improved security, and increased curb appeal, custom windows can provide lasting value and comfort. Whether you are remodeling or constructing a new home or business, custom windows can help you create a space that suits your unique style and needs.